This is food mold under the microscope that I took from that cheese spread. So today, I'm diving into the micro world of food mold. For this experiment, I left a cheese spread container closed outside for some days, and when I opened it, it looked like that. Gross, right? That fuzzy green and white stuff on top is mold. I took two different pieces of the mold to put under the microscope. This first piece is a bit bigger, which I will not add the cover glass to save the overall structure of the mold. This second piece I took, I will add the cover glass so we can see with a much closer zoom, going even up to 1000 times zoom. When you see the mold moving fast, it is because I am blowing some air, so we can see the movement on the mold. Mold doesn't just appear, its spores are already everywhere, floating in the air, on your countertops, and even on your skin. They're too small to see. Millions could fit on the tip of a pencil. All they need is the right conditions: moisture, warmth, and time. Once a spore lands on a food surface that's damp and nutrient-rich, it sends out hyphae, which are the thread-like filaments that form the body of a mold, starts feeding, and eventually grows visible. So food doesn't create mold, it hosts it. You're just seeing the party once it's already started. Now here's where things get interesting. Not all molds are villains. Some are life-saving, literally. The antibiotic penicillin was discovered from a mold, Penicillium chrysogenum, in 1928, and it changed modern medicine forever. The same genus of mold also gives us blue cheese, camembert, and brie. Those flavors come from controlled mold fermentation. But then there's the dark side. Certain molds release mycotoxins, toxic chemicals that can damage your liver, cause cancer, or trigger serious allergies and respiratory issues. And here's the kicker: heating doesn't always destroy them. Cooking moldy food doesn't make it safe. Here's a perspective shift. Mold has been doing its thing since before dinosaurs walked the earth. It's one of nature's oldest recycling systems, converting dead organic matter back into nutrients so new life can grow. Without it, the planet would be buried in dead plants and animals, a literal graveyard of biology. So yeah, it's gross in your kitchen, but vital for life on Earth. It's a perfect reminder that even the disgusting parts of nature have a purpose. We just happen to live close enough to notice. If you liked seeing the micro world up close, I've got more where that came from. Hit subscribe and comment what you'd want to see under the microscope next. Bacteria, yeast, or something even weirder.